Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this session we will discuss an introduction to B plus trees. We already completed B trees, that is the properties of B trees, inserting elements into B trees and deletion of elements from B trees. Now move to B plus trees. In B plus trees, the main property is we have two types of nodes. In B plus tree we have two types of nodes. One is called index node, second one is called data node. Index node and data node. Simple terms, all internal nodes including root node. All internal nodes are called index nodes. All leaf nodes are called data nodes. Remaining all nodes except leaf nodes, remaining all nodes are called index nodes. What is the difference between these two? What is the difference between index node and data node? Here the data or key or information or element, any term we are using, simply our information is always stored at leaf node. Information is always stored at leaf node, that is our information, that is our elements are stored only in the data node. Then what is the need of index node? The index node contains keys that make some pointers to data node. Index node contains the only indexes or only the keys that makes points to data node. That is, the main purpose of index node is to perform efficient search. To improve the search operation, these index nodes are used. Okay. So in B plus trees we have two types of nodes, index node and data node. All the information is stored in the leaf nodes only. All index nodes, that is remaining all nodes, contains only the keys, that is simply a pointers to the leaf level. So and the properties are similar. Suppose a B tree of order M, similar to B trees, a tree of order M has the following properties. What are the properties? Contains the maximum children, a maximum of M children, and maximum keys are M minus 1. Remaining all properties are similar to B trees, only the different property is in B trees the data is present at any level, but in B plus trees the data is present only at the leaf level. And minimum keys and minimum children. What is the minimum children? M by 2, seal off. Minimum keys are M by 2 minus 1. This is the key. Suppose I am representing, this is a node. Suppose these are the left child. This is the representation, a B tree of order 4. This is a B tree, a node of order 4. Okay. It contains 4 children, a maximum of, it contains 3 data elements. Suppose if it is the index node, this is the index node and this is the leaf node. For example, if it contains here a value 20, here assume this is 20 is not our value, this 20 is a key. The values greater than or equal to 20 are placed on the right hand side. For example, 20, 25, 26. Now this 20 is our value. This 20 is a key, that is only for searching purpose. Okay. Suppose I will explain some of the differences between B tree and B plus trees. The main advantages are in B plus trees search keys are repeated. Suppose 20 is present here and here, the search keys are repeated. But in B trees the search keys cannot be repeated. because one element is placed only once. But in B plus trees, one element is placed at the data level and placed at the index level. Okay. The main advantage is searching is very easy. In B plus tree, the data is stored in leaf node. In B tree, the data is stored in any level. Okay. Suppose in B plus tree, coming to deletion is simple. Deletion is very simple because the deleted element is always at the leaf node compared to B tree. In B tree, the deleted element is at different levels. So whenever we have to delete an element, the deleted element is replaced with either successor or predecessor. But in this, the deletion is very simple. And very important point is, remember, all leaf nodes are connected by linked list. Okay. This is the introduction to B plus trees. Mainly we have two operations, insertion operation and deletion operation. Okay. Next session we will discuss insertion with an example. Thank you.